Introduced Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar to his new wax figure. This is the very first time that they have launched a wax figure overseas. They flew Sachin's figure over 7,000 kilometers to Mumbai for a meeting with the real cricket legend himself. Tendulkar met with Madame Tussauds sculptors in hometown Mumbai earlier in the year to be measured and photographed for the creation of his figure, and donated the cricket whites his striking wax double is wearing. He now follows in the famous footsteps of Bollywood giants Amitabh Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan. Sachin was delighted to come face to face with his likeness, and when we asked him his reaction on seeing the figure, this is what he had to say.
I'm finding it a little difficult to express what I feel, honestly, because, to have something which is identical, I'm glad he doesn't breathe.
Well, there can be just one Sachin Tendulkar, right? Sachin, tell us, how did you come to choose this particular pose for the figure that's going to immortalize you? As we heard that you had to stand in the same position for over 3 hours.
This was the way I celebrated when I surpassed the record. And I saw the picture and I thought it was special, very dear one to me. And the photo shoot and the measurements and all that, I did get some time in between, otherwise it would have been difficult. There were so many different things. I'm glad I didn't have to be in this position for 3 hours. I would have collapsed otherwise.
And how does it feel to be the first Indian sports personality to be portrayed at Madame Tussauds?
पहले भारतीय खिलाड़ी होने का यहाँ पे काफी गर्व है मुझे. ये जो वैक्स म्यूजियम में 24 अप्रैल को जो मेरे बर्थडे को ये लॉन्च करेंगे, तो मुझे काफी खुशी हो रही है. और यही समझता हूँ कि अब तक जो मेरी कंट्रीब्यूशन रही है भारत के लिए, ये अप्रिशिएट हुई है और एक मेरे कंट्रीब्यूशन का रिफ्लेक्शन है.
Lastly, Sachin, we would like to know if the saying that behind every successful man there is a woman is true in your case as well.
It's my wife sitting there. I think she's played a huge role in my life in supporting through difficult times, because when everything is going your way, it's easy for the rest to come and cheer me up. But when chips are low, I think that is when the people, she is there, my mother is at home. These two women have really played a huge role in my life.